Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. As you can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna be doing a deep dive into this beautiful baby here. This is the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics F-Proof Mascara. We're not gonna be saying the full name because we're gonna be keeping it family friendly here on this channel. But so far, guys, I am freaking obsessed with this product and I cannot wait to show you all about it. So we are gonna be doing a deep dive, like I said, into this baby. I did all kinds of product testing for you. I'm gonna be showing you what the product looks like with just one coat on an uncurled lash. We're gonna show you what it looks like on curled lashes, the whole 9 yards, and best of all, you are gonna enjoy the crap out of this. I literally took a whole bowl of water, had it dumped in my face so we could really see how water resistant this stuff is. And when I tell you, you guys are gonna be absolutely shook to your core, you are going to be. So if you'd like to get into that with me, then please keep watching. So first of all, this is currently sold out on Jeffree Star Cosmetics as well as Beauty Bay, but as of right this moment, it is still currently available on beautylish.com. And for all my Canadian babies out there, there's a website called eleganza.ca. If you look that up, I will have everything linked down below if you're curious, but they are also selling the mascara and it is not sold out. So again, that is Beautylish and Eleganza for Canadian people. It is still in stock, so don't be upset if you didn't get your hands on it. And if you want to, go right now, because let me tell you, you are going to be impressed with this product. I, for one, I'm not trying to blow smoke up anyone's ass. I am literally shook by this product. I wasn't expecting much of it. I'm not very much a mascara girl. Anytime I do my makeup, I will always go in with a false lash. I just don't feel like a look is complete without a lash. It really takes it to that next level for me. But that being said, this mascara, I have not been this impressed from a mascara in so long. I am actually a giant, long-time user of this Milk Makeup Kush mascara, but I think I may have found a new favorite. I'm serious. So this mascara is pretty fairly priced. It goes for $23 US and $29 Canadian, which is pretty standard for any medium to high-end mascara. There's definitely more expensive mascaras out there, 100%, but do they perform like this? You're gonna find out. The website explains that it's their first ever mascara with a very unique brush. Also, it's supposed to add length, volume. It's supposed to be sweat-proof, weatherproof, waterproof, gag-proof if you need that. I'm not saying you need that, but if you did, it's supposed to be covering you. So we are definitely gonna find out the answers today if it actually does all of those claims. As makeup consumers, we know that when something makes a lot of claims, it kind of leaves us skeptical. But guys, when I'm telling you, I am actually shook by this product, I mean it. Now, before we dive into the actual good stuff, let's talk about this stunning, stunning packaging. I might be wrong, but I have never seen a company put out anything like this before. No type of leather component for a mascara. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. I might be, but I've never personally seen anything like it. I think it is so innovative. We honestly, at this point, we're not surprised by that type of product from Jeffree. He will take something boring like a mascara and make it this. Like, come on. How could you not? Like, how could you not? It's so Jeffree. It's so out there. It's so different. I love it. Feels luxurious. My one thing. The end of this here and this here, it's very a light plastic. It's not even like a heavy plastic. I feel like if he would have made this metal or like a heavier plastic, it really would have made it that luxurious level I wanted it to be. But with that being said, this is still really, really great. Feels great in your hand, does not feel too light at all. I think the packaging is so cute. And of course, this baby comes completely undone. I, for one, really thought when I was applying my mascara, it was gonna be in the way. I completely forgot the little tassel was on it even. When I first looked at the product, I'm like, a tassel? Like, do we really need that? Totally removable, but it completely didn't get in my way. And I actually felt really cute using it. It made it like a little pom-pom, like something fun. I love it. I think it's awesome. And I love that you have the option of being able to remove it. How cute would this be on a keychain? Is it just me? Now let's talk about the packaging that it comes in. I mean, wow. And guys, this is literally velvet inside. I was shook with this packaging. I love the way he made it look like a pair of falsies when it's not. I love, love, love this packaging. I love the extra attention to detail, but again, nothing new from Jeffree. He always takes it to the absolute next level with his packaging, and this is not an exception. In terms of the color, it's absolutely true to what it says. I feel like it's a very deep, deep black. And if you're not into black mascara, I know JSC is usually known for doing really avant-garde, bold colors. Jeffree definitely mentioned that he's going to be releasing some colorful mascaras as well, which I'd be super, super excited to play with. That will be coming up later in the year, he mentioned. But yes, the black is a very, very deep black. Another thing that I want to mention about this formula that I'm absolutely obsessed with is that it's dry. I don't know about you guys, but I like a mascara that isn't very liquidy. I find that when it's really liquidy, it gets all over the place. It makes your lashes heavy and kind of fall versus giving you like a flare up. This is honestly one of the driest mascaras I've ever tried, which I am saying with peace and love and happiness, because thank God I usually have to buy smaller mascaras and let them dry out a bit before I enjoy the formula. This already comes like that. The applicator, amazing. I was not expecting to like this applicator. I don't typically like this kind of applicator. I much, much prefer something like this, like a fatter, I don't know if the camera's picking it up or it's blurry, but like a fatter wand, if you know what I mean, like that really coats everything. This is not, but the way it coated my lashes, I was shook. I don't know how he did it, but I love this applicator. I really wasn't expecting to, and I love it. Now let's jump into the actual meat of this video, and that is me showing you how this product works. So first, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on an uncurled lash. I've coated the top and bottom with only one layer, and this is what it's looking like. It's already doing pretty great. I'm not seeing a really giant curl though. I like my eyelashes to be nice and curled, but I usually curl my lashes when I'm just wearing mascara. But again, I don't really usually just wear mascara, but when I do curl them. This is how it looks just regular. The next shot here, this is on a curled lash, and again, it's only one layer on the top and bottom lashes. You can see that when you curl it, it really takes it there, and it looks a lot bolder in my opinion. I really, really like that. And here is what it looks like with two layers on both sides. Now, in my opinion, we're reaching a little bit of a clumpy level. I personally don't like a clumpy mascara. I like a mascara that really evenly separates my lashes. Now, while this mascara is slightly on the clumpier side, I have definitely used mascaras that are more clumpy that I really don't like. I can definitely forgive the clumpiness for how wonderful the formula is, which you're about to see. So I put this on and then I went about with my day. I did about a 3-hour wear test. I really wanted to see if we would get any flaking, anything falling down, any smudging, because it does claim to not do those things. And here is what it looked like after 3.5 hours of running around town. It's finally warmer here in Ontario, so if that helps you get an idea of the smudging and the sweating, nothing moved, not a drop. I don't see one flakiness. I don't see anything like that. I think it looks absolutely great. And just like he claims, it does wear very well. And now for the final test, which is the one that you guys have been waiting for. You're welcome, by the way. This like water went up my nose. It was not pleasant, but Ian literally dumped, as you can see, a bowl of water in my face. And guys, this did not budge. It didn't budge. I couldn't believe it. I truly, with every other mascara, now I don't typically use waterproof mascaras because they are so hard to wipe off, but this did not budge. Now you can see here, I went in with my fingers and did a small wipe. All of the product came off. It's almost like it came off in one cohesive unit altogether. I was shook because before I rubbed my eyes, it did not move anywhere. So for example, say you wore this in the water, you dunked in and came out and then just let yourself dry, you are not gonna smudge. That's freaking unreal. The next test we did, I went back into the studio, I grabbed a makeup wipe. I wanted to see how easily the product could be removed. Like I just mentioned, I really veer away from waterproof mascaras because in the past, I've had to wipe my eye so many times. I feel like I'm causing tons of damage to the eye, and there's always that little bit left on my lashes, which could eventually give you a sty and all kinds of bad stuff. I usually stay away from it. But when I tell you, I literally wiped my eye 3 times, all the product was gone, as you can see here. I even took an additional clean wipe and wiped on top of what I did, and it was gone. It was like effortless. It was like I was using like an intense makeup remover when I wasn't. Wow, I was so freaking impressed with how easily this was removed. As you can see, nothing on that wipe. Wow. This mascara is pretty much claiming to do everything that it says. I, for one, was so skeptical. I'm like, yeah. Like, listen, I obviously love Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I love everything he puts out. But I was like, you know, I like my core things. I love my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I literally think I finally found a replacement, and that is this baby. I cannot believe how great this mascara is, guys. If you haven't gotten it already, I highly suggest you give it a shot. If you don't want to get it off of Beautylish and Eleganza, like I'm saying that it's still available there, definitely wait until a restock. Jeffree mentioned that he was in the works right now. He wasn't expecting to sell so much of the product so fast, but he is definitely contacting all the right people to try to get this product out again for a restock. So definitely stay in tune for that if you want to purchase directly from the website or from Beauty Bay. But yeah, guys, I am so wholeheartedly impressed with this product. When Jeffree first mentioned in his reveal video that it was a tubing mascara, I was really nervous. I do not like tubing mascaras. I find that those ones specifically always fall all over your face. You're always getting those little bits in your eye when you're removing your makeup. I did not have that experience at all with this product. I am truly impressed. Not trying to blow smoke up anyone's ass. I literally think this is amazing, worth every penny. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope that gave you an extensive idea of what this mascara is about. I really hope if you're interested or curious about this product, this video answered some of your questions. And please, guys, let me know. Are you gonna be purchasing the mascara? Have you purchased it already? In the comments, let's talk about it. I am so excited about this product. I love when a new product comes out and it's actually so good. And please, if you haven't already, give this video a like if you like this style of video, if you love my reviews. And of course, if you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.